bouncing down the street. So rather than walking, I've been asked, why might someone bounce down the street or jump down the street? So what sensory systems do we get more information from, or what are we trying to reduce or avoid when we're bouncing down the street? When we bounce, we're receiving lots and lots of proprioceptive awareness, so feedback from our joints and our muscles to tell us where our body is in space. For some people, they need lots of proprioceptive sensations for them to be able to do something like walk down the street. Another reason can be relating to our vestibular sense, so that sense of movement. Walking might not be enough sense of movement for some people, so by bouncing they're going to be getting so much more information received by their body, which means they're going to be able to then follow instructions better. You might notice that if your child or whoever your person you're supporting is jumping as you're going to the supermarket to get your shopping or going into town to get your hair cut, it's likely if they are doing jumping because they need more vestibular or proprioceptive input, they're more likely to be able to listen and to process what you're asking them to do as well. That's the whole concept of sensory integration, where our senses all need to support each other for us to be able to do certain activities. If we have a difficulty processing a sensory system, so we might be oversensitive, hypersensitive, or we might be undersensitive, hyposensitive to any sensory system, we will be doing something, we might be seeking or we might be avoiding sensations to help us then be able to integrate and engage in our environment. So by jumping down the street seems like a great coping strategy for some people to be able to regulate themselves.